The Formula 400 SSC, 40 feet, 42 foot, 6 inches length overall. It's powered by quad Mercury 400 V10s.
That's crazy. So, did you see the house?
So walking into our aft cockpit area here, beautiful U-shaped seating. Really nice. So this is kind of a crossover boat. They're going with the wakeboard racks there, the extended shore shade up above. On the port side, you have a nice television, little summer kitchen galley area, upper galley. And then here at the helm, you get some nice bolstered seats, convertible hardtop, and this has the Mercury Skyhook and joystick system here. So you can actually park this boat and then drive it sideways as well, or drive it by the traditional throttle. It's like Ray Marine multi-function displays there. Really a beautiful boat. Nice and bright feeling. I like the LED accents on it. Move forward. What you see is they've got a sliding windshield here. That's kind of cool. So that section will slide. And then up in the front, got nice wraparound seating here. And a beautiful one-piece window, except for the slider there off to the side. It's really smooth. It's got the extended range open array radar, as well as a spotlight, some other technology, track vision television. Windlass under there. Interesting kind of hidden door here, and that's got a magnetic pole to it. Coming down, get a nice seating area here. This is kind of interesting. This cushion will raise up to have a bed down there. I'm sure you've got a table and filler cushion option there. Lower galley here, microwave, television. In the back here, you've got the larger berth with the television across. And then nice LED effects here in the head. And this is a wet head system. Opposing the galley, you do have cold storage. And some deeper lockers there. Some nice window on the side here. I like the LED effect there. So the Formula 400 SSC. I'll show you how this door articulates here. That is kind of cool because you don't even really notice it there. It's a good use of space as well. Looks like a cooktop up here. If you want information, you can get that at yachtspecsdirect.com. So nice to have this safety bar here. Safety from the engines and provides a little hangout space.